wife actually found Greg on the internet because she simply typed in independent SEO provider and found Greg straight away, number one up the top. She clicked on him. We organised a meeting with him, and it's just been great from there on. It's basically all I can say. I get everything I expect from Greg and more. So there's nothing much I can ask for other than that. 11, when our SEO guy prior to this had really let us down, internet marketing wise, and communication wasn't there at all. And I found Greg, communication with him is spot on. He commits to what he says he's going to do. He looks outside the square, wants to give that extra service, and really put us on the map, which is what I've expected in the last, say, 5 years. And I simply haven't got it. More to the point, I'm up number one on all the correct search terms or search words that are necessary to get my clients, new customers, and for the people, the public out there, more importantly, to see me straight away and see what I've got to offer, instead of it taking so long for people to finding me straight away, and they're liking what they're seeing, obviously, because I'm getting phone calls and new business, new video reports. It's helped me understand exactly how the internet works and why he chose where to service BMW, for example, as a search term, and why it's a key phrase, basically, and it's putting up number one straight away, because people obviously type in, where do I get my BMW serviced, or where to service BMW, where to service my BMW. Yeah, I think it's worked well. If you have any problems understanding, my wife and I have had many problems understanding different things that Greg's done, because he's simply done things differently to everybody else, and clearly what he's doing works. So, and the proof's in the pudding. And as I say, the videos that he gives us and the explanation of everything that he's doing makes sense.